Welcome, in front of me is a UMIDIGI X, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel and look for the power saver right here and simply tap on it. Now when you do, it gives you a message: turn on battery saver to extend your battery life. Battery saver turns off some device features and restricts apps. Now this description is really vague, but what it will do is, for instance, when you enable it, Wi-Fi and mobile data will be disconnected after a set amount of time of inactivity. So if you lock the device like this, after about a couple minutes it's just going to disconnect from them to save the battery, and that will result in you not getting, for instance, updates from things like Facebook, Twitter, stuff like that, because those apps require internet and the device will basically disconnect. Now it will automatically reconnect to them once you interact with it, so don't worry about that one, but that will basically stop you from getting actual real-time updates. Now you can also extend it a little bit further yourself by, for instance, dropping the brightness of the device. That will give you, by dropping like halfway, it sometimes gives you a couple hours additionally to the time, so that is, I would say, a fairly worth trade-off. Yeah, now once you're done with this mode, you can either, I believe, charge the device fully and this will turn it off, or simply tap on it to turn it off whenever you want. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.